So you just bought yourself a brand new S22 Ultra and you're in the market for a decent case with good drop protection along with customization options that really express who you are as an individual. Well, look no further than Casetify's lineup of S22 Ultra cases. These impact cases offer protection with a bit of personality, so there's a Casetify case out there for everyone and anyone. First off, I want to congratulate you guys on your purchase because the S22 Ultra is one of the best Android devices I've used in quite a long time. It's a great device in almost every aspect, and my full review on this device is dropping next week, so make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel, and of course make sure you guys have the bell notification icon turned on so you don't miss when that video drops. I promise you guys it will be a banger. But today here we have got impact cases from Casetify, and I already used Casetify cases on my iPhone, so naturally when they dropped their lineup of cases for the S22 Ultra, this was an instant must-have. In this video we'll go over these cases and I'll let you guys know about some key features these Casetify cases have over a regular case. And we'll also discuss everything Casetify is doing to reduce their overall carbon footprint and of course help save the environment.
I don't understand why you're taking on. You had me at alone.
How's it going everyone? My name is RJ, and if this is your first time here on this channel, just know that I have worked with Casetify before in the past and they are a channel sponsor. So these cases were sent out to me to review and check out, but in no way, shape or form am I obligated to say something I do not want to say. All of my opinions are my own, and that's what I love about working with a company such as Casetify. They want honest feedbacks on their products, and that's what you'll always get here on my channel, the honest truth. Casetify was also kind enough to provide us with a 15% discount code, so just use the code 15RJTech upon checkout or head on over to casetify.com/rjtech and the 15% discount will automatically be applied to your checkout. So these cases are drop tested antimicrobial cases made up of 65% recycled and plant-based materials. And as you guys can see from these S22 Ultra cases, you never have to really sacrifice style. These cases are slim, protective, and in my opinion they look so good on my S22 Ultra. Casetify cases are slim and protective. They're engineered with a 2-layer construction of upgraded Tech 2.0 material, and these cases are 6.6 feet drop tested approved. It's kind of amazing these are able to provide that much drop protection all while maintaining a super sleek and slim profile. In fact, these Casetify cases are slimmer than a 10-cent coin. That is some pretty impressive stuff. Now you may be wondering what exactly is Tech. Tech is pretty much Casetify's trademark terminology for impact absorbing material. They do feature shock dispersing material and is lined inside the case bumper, protecting all 4 corners from critical drops. Now don't just take my word for it, because Casetify actually dared me to drop my S22 Ultra with these cases on from 6.6 feet. So let's see if they live up to the hype. I mean, they better live up to the hype because this is a $2,000 phone. So take a look at the case before we do drop it, and then we'll analyze the case after we drop it onto solid concrete. As you guys can see for yourself, after dropping my S22 Ultra from about 6 feet high, the phone is completely unscathed. The screen still works and the cameras are perfectly intact and working. So super glad to see that Casetify did live up to their promise. Casetify is a company that's all about self-expression. These cases come in many unique designs, so you can pick your favorite color and print to match your phone and personality. On this particular case, I got my initials RJ all over the case in this unique pattern, and in my opinion it looks pretty cool. With this particular design, I decided to troll the Apple community and write iPhone along the edges. So if anyone is asking, this is the newest iPhone, not the S22 Ultra. All jokes aside, you guys can really have fun with these customizations and the options are quite honestly endless. So go crazy with it. I would love to see how you guys customize your particular Casetify case, so shoot me a picture over on Twitter at RJTech. I would love to see what unique customizations you guys all come up with. As I mentioned earlier, Casetify is huge on being environmentally friendly. All of these impact cases are made up of 65% recycled and plant-based materials, and all of their cases are shipped to you in 100% compostable packaging. This enables them to reduce their overall carbon footprint by 20%, which is huge for a company as big as Casetify. So if you want to do your part in protecting the environment, purchasing a Casetify case can go a long way. Now, a very unique and underrated Casetify feature is something called Defensify. Defensify is actually an antimicrobial coating that eliminates 99% of bacteria by preventing the growth of microbes and preventing bacteria from sticking to your phone surface in the first place. Honestly, I'm a bit of a germaphobe and I'm constantly wiping down my phone and case throughout the day. With Defensify, I no longer have to do this, and it does save me a ton of time not worrying about microbes and bacteria sticking to the surface of my phone. Here is a fun fact. Did you guys know that your phone is more bacteria infested than a toilet seat? Now that is pretty disgusting. So all of this sounds great, right? But what does it actually feel like to use an S22 Ultra with the Casetify case on? Because for the most part, that is pretty important. Well, the fit is excellent. The phone slides right in and secures into place without any wiggle room. There is raised protection over on the back for the cameras with minimal Casetify branding along the camera rims. Over on the front, you do get raised edge protection, so you can set your phone face out on a table without worrying about your screen getting all scratched up. These cases barely add any weight to your overall device, and holding the S22 Ultra in your hands is very comfortable. The power button and the volume markers have some great tactile feedback to them, and they do give off a satisfying clicking sound. Overall, I would say this is a great thought out case that does emphasize protection to the camera and the front screen. My favorite case is the Casetify Classic plain label case. You've probably seen this case before, it's all over Instagram. I love the red and white accent with the QR code, and fun fact, if you do scan the QR code, it takes you directly to the Casetify website. Just do make sure to use the code 15RJTech while you are on the website because you do not want to miss out on that discount. What's really cool about Casetify is that they do collaborate with a ton of artists. This case right here is called Coral Reef by Paquetto. This collection brings LA-based lifestyle brands, art and design for your everyday philosophy to life in the form of brilliant bold tech accessories. And of course, your options are not limited to what you see in this video. If you hop on over to casetify.com/rjtech, you'll see Casetify just launched new cases for the S22 Ultra. Under this category, you'll find subsections with cases that feature prints, customizations, artists, collections, and a subsection called Influencer Capsule. The options with Casetify are truly endless, and there's definitely a case out there for everyone and anyone. If you do want to pick up a case for yourself, there is a link in the description below, and let me know over on Twitter at RJTech why you decide to go with that particular case. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for a lot more upcoming S22 Ultra videos, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to flex with your new Casetify S22 Ultra tech.